would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me?
What's up, y'all? It's your girl, TheKeyisME, and I am back again with another video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you some affordable AliExpress kinky curly hair that I received from MsCoco hair off of AliExpress. As you can see, this hair is a kinky curly texture, so it does mimic natural hair to me. When you first get it out of the pack, of course, you're going to have to run your hands through it as well as wash and condition it for you to be able to achieve the actual kinky curly look. I did go ahead and bleach the knots on the closure, and I constructed this wig myself. As you can see up close and personal, this is the hair after I washed and conditioned it. I'm going to go ahead and do my curly hair routine. I'm just going to go ahead and saturate the hair with water. Y'all, please excuse my voice. Your girl is a little under the weather, but we still gonna get this stuff done. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray the hair with water. After I spray the hair with water, you'll see me take the products, and I'm gonna show them on the screen, and I'm just gonna go ahead and start doing my curly hair routine. I'm not gonna talk y'all to death because it's pretty self-explanatory. Oh, and I did go ahead and define the parting area on the wig, so it doesn't come with the parting area. You will have to do it yourself because I got the free part closure. So I did go ahead and tweeze the parting area to my liking. Look at that smile, the best curve that a girl can wear. Okay, so I'm just going to show you me putting the wig on after the hair dried. This is what it looks like. I did go ahead and pluck my own parting area, and I didn't cut the lace off. So as you can see, I'm going to be showing you the products that I'm going to be using for the actual lace. I went ahead with some foundation, some powder foundation by Maybelline in the color 355. And then I'm going to use my Got To Be Glue freeze spray on top of the closure as well. So after I go ahead and put my foundation on the closure, I'm going to spray it with the with the free spray, and that's going to actually set the color inside of the closure. And as you can see, it is a big difference from the first screen. From the first time I put the closure up on the screen, it blends in with my hair and with my parting area. As you can see, I just pretty much just put it on top of my natural hair already. You can use a wig cap if you want. I didn't use a wig cap, but you can if you would like. And then after this, I'm going to just grab some oil. You can grab any oil, to be honest. The oil is just going to help give the hair a little bit more shine, as well as loosen the curls a little bit. So you don't really want to separate the curls. You just kind of want to just bring your hands over the hair, on top of the hair. Just scrunch the curls together, kind of like how you would do with your natural hair. You don't want to disturb the curls after you already set them with your products. So this is the finished product. I am absolutely in love with this hair. This style lasted a week without me having to add any other products to it, any water to it. I do take my units off at night, so I think that definitely helps with them lasting long. This hair will run you about $115 for a closure and 2 bundles. I forgot to mention that. I did use a closure and 2 bundles, so this is perfect for something like this that's going to last you for a really long time. So I'm going to put all of their information down in the description box. Thank you so much for tuning into this video. If you could please like, comment, subscribe, and share. And I look forward to seeing you in my next video.
Bye.